And how can homeowners ensure that their real estate doesn't end up in probate?
The biggest thing is to have the trust, which we talked about. Real property in the state of California, you're going to want to have a trust because there's no way to add a beneficiary to the property. The most important thing, though, is to make sure that you've actually deeded the property into the name of the trust. Just listing it on your schedule is not enough to avoid probate. You actually need to record a deed that transfers the property from you as the owner to you as the trustee of your trust. If that's not recorded, it's not going to avoid anything. So a lot of times what I see is over time you refinance, right? You want to take some money out and the refinance company will take the property out of the trust. I don't know why they do it, but a lot of times they do that and they don't put it back into the trust.
Oh my God.
So it's important for you to just over time make sure that it's always gotten back into the trust to avoid probate. That's the biggest thing. So you don't want to ever prepare the deed yourself. It's worth paying a couple $100s to have an attorney prepare it or have a title company prepare it versus doing it yourself, because I've seen a lot of DIY deeds that don't help, and then you end up in court anyways trying to put it into the trust because you haven't done it properly. The easiest way to tell or just remember if you have it in the trust is to look at your property tax bill,
Right.
because it will come in and say trustee of or trustee or something like that. That's the easiest way to say like, oh my gosh, I don't remember if I ever put it in the trust. It'll automatically say on the property tax bill. So that's the easiest way to find out.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.